Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to talk about what USB debugging is and how to access USB debugging. Everyone can easily use Android, but there are a lot of hidden features for power users. In developer options, you can find most of the features which are hidden. The normal users don't need to know about the hidden features, but it is very important to know about these hidden features for those who develop and build Android apps. Among these features, to access USB debugging is one of the most renowned Android developer feature. In some versions of Android, USB debugging is also known as developer mode. It allows the Android device to receive any information, any file, any commands, and the like from PC, and allows the PC to do so same from the Android device. So now we are going to show you how to turn on the feature in an Android smartphone. In order to turn on developer options, first you'll need to go to your phone setting. Well, here's the settings, and then you'll have to go to About Phone, where your Android version is located, and you'll have to click on build number rapidly. And as you can see, I have no build number here. So in Xiaomi devices, you'll have to usually click on MIUI version. So in Xiaomi devices, you'll usually need to click on MIUI versions. But in other Androids, you'll need to click on build number or build version, something like that. And if you don't find build number or MIUI version, then make sure to click on all of them, like Android security patch. As you can see, I'm clicking Android version, I'm clicking. And as you can see, something else came in. Well, that's not what we're looking for. But as you can see, when I press the MIUI version, you are now 4 steps away from being a developer. Then you should rapidly click, and then you will become a developer. And now to access developer options, go to settings and find the developer option. Well, it's usually in additional settings, and then on the bottom, as you can see, there is developer options, and you can also disable the developer options from here, but I will not disable it because I'm going to use it now. So after turning on the developer options, let's see where the USB debugging is. As you can see, we have found USB debugging. We will just need to turn it on in order to turn on USB debugging, and that's it. Your smartphone will now, oh wait, there are some more confirmations we need to do. We'll click on it. I'm aware of the possible risk. Of course, it's risky if you don't know what you're doing, so make sure you turn on USB debugging at your own risk, and then click on OK. So now your phone's USB debugging is on. Well, that's how you should turn on USB debugging on most of the Xiaomi phones. But if you get any other smartphones, make sure to click on build number, and then you will find the developer options in the same way as this phone. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, please do leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video with another review. Until then, take care and stay safe.